Friday, shower, then clean everything, and you will be clean. Clean your body. What else you wanna clean Friday?
My brain.
Your brain, and what else? The other one, can you move a little bit next to me? Next, like that. Turn, like that. Okay, so it will be easier for me to do it. Right. I could see it good because it's very long. This one is hard to. It will be painful for you when I do it, like, because the edge is not cut. Now it will be better. Maybe one time I will put nail polish on your nails. Why? It's good to have it. Look at mine. I have one.
I know, but you're fancy.
I'm fancy and you're not? No, I'm not fancy. I am just your aide, so I'm not fancy.
I think it's an honor because you're taking care of a human soul.
It's an honor, dear.
I don't look at it as a job. It's a job worthwhile, taking care of another human being.
A very nice word from my boss. Okay, one more time.
How many more times do I have dirty?
It is the number of fingernails that you had. So we need to cut it, file it, and clean it.
I have to pay for that in the store.
In the salon? Oh, you need to pay a lot of money.
Yeah, right.
And for me, it's free. How lucky you are, dear. How lucky you are. You don't need to pay me. Cleaning your nails is good to help you. Helping you is part of my job, right?
Right.
So you don't need to go to the salon to clean your nails. To cut and clean. Yes, we try to do it good. So it will be good also. Yeah. What else you want? You said to me before to clean on Friday. To clean the body. You said something before.
Yeah,
Not only to clean the body, also
to clean my soul.
yeah. So you mean you will pray. Yeah?
I pray every day.
Okay, let's go. Good.
I like it when it's fresh, and then when it starts peeling.
Yeah, but we can take it out and then put again. This is a good one. Okay. Very nice. The other one? No, because you have an accident and you did not have the